Standard. First term. Exploring space. My Little Pictionary. Milky Way, the galaxy that contains our solar system. நமது சூரிய குடும்பம் இருக்கும் விண்மீன் அல்லது பால்வழி. Earth, the planet on which we live. நாமெல்லாம் வாழும் இந்த பூமி. Space shuttle, a spacecraft designed to be used for traveling to a space station. விண்நிலையத்திற்கு செல்லுவதற்காக பயன்படுத்தும் விண்கலம். Solar system, the sun and all the planets that move around it. சூரிய குடும்பம். Universe, the whole of space and everything in it, including the planets, the stars and galaxies. பிரபஞ்சம். It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. India established 3 colonies. Arivumadi's family lived in one such colony. On her birthday, her grandfather traveled more than 1500 kilometers to meet her. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. Here capsule is new word. Capsule means a small cylinder shaped bed. He said, "Wake up, Arivu." Arivumadi was surprised. "Grandpa, when did you come?" "I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday." He sighed. "Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars? Sometimes it even lasts for a month. But this time it did not. So I am on time. It still took me 3 sols to reach here." Here, sol is a new word. Sol means Martian solar day அல்லது a Martian day. செவ்வாய் கிரகத்தில் ஒரு நாளுக்கு 25 மணி நேரம். அதுதான் sol. Now, come on, let's not waste time. We will go to harvest the vegetation hab for vegetables. Here, hab is new word. What is mean by hab or habitat? Human settlement. மனிதர்கள் வாழும் இடம். In the hab, he said, "These carrots are not tasty anymore, like the ones I ate in my childhood." She asked, "Why do you say so, Grandpa?" Grandfather explained, "The vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth. I really wish you had tasted the carrots from the earth." Arivu asked eagerly, "How did they grow the crops and vegetables on the earth?" Now, the grandfather was sad, like he is missing the earth. He said the earth had fertile soil, so the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. She asked, but I learned that humans used chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Grandfather laughed. Already I told you, these fruits, vegetables, and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real. Arivu exclaimed. Even the water? He said, of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. On the earth, we use it to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. He replied, Yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Today we are fighting for things which we got easily. Here the three words, new words, that is fuels. Fuel means an energy source for engines, power plants or reactors. எரிபொருள். Survival, to remain alive. Adapting, modify or readjust. He continued, in the earth, you did not need a space suit or an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here. Arivu said, Yes, Grandpa, in Mars, 687 days make a year. He smiled. Ha ha ha. Yes, you would be 18 years old on the earth now. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. Arivu looked at him and said, Don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. He said, True, but nothing can be the earth. The earth is our home. Let us leave this for now. Today, we should celebrate. Here, the two words are new. The scientists and terraform. What is meant by terraform? A process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. நிலப்பரப்பு மனிதர்களுக்கு ஏற்ப மாற்றி அமைத்தல். Scientist, an expert in science. What actions destroy the earth? How will you change it? What actions destroy the earth? Burning fossil fuels. Deforestation. Excess usage of plastic. How will you change it? Instead of using burning fossil fuels, We can use eco-friendly vehicles like bicycles, battery vehicles, like that. Instead of deforestation, we should plant the trees. Instead of excess usage of plastic or usage of plastic, we should use cotton bags.